Come on, put it in, put it in.
He opens them now.
I know. Come on. Yeah, good job, buddy.
Let's just make sure McKenna gets some too.
What you got in there, bud?
He threw it all. He threw it.
Yay, McKenna!
She's with the open one.
Katie's opening them and
Throwing
throwing
them.
Come on. You thought about it. McKenna, this is your tree. Look, there's more for you. McKenna, over here.
A little high ground, but she's like 1 foot up and 1
We'll shovel navigate.
Yeah, I know. It's funny. It's off balance, so she's like.
And the wind chime.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, Katie with the wind chime. Look.
She got a couple?
Yeah.
But look at it.
Kyle, get him to get the one behind their address.
Look over there.
Oh.
And McKenna can get the other fence ones.
Look at Katie.
Here he comes into the picture.
He's so excited. Oh my God, it's funny.